This short video answers the query how to buy shares of Northfield Bancorp Inc. and demonstrates the steps. Northfield Bancorp Inc. trades on NASDAQ with the ticker NFBK. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you will need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and deposit funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker NFBK to find Northfield Bancorp Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the matching company name. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the NFBK ticker before moving on. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or delayed, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description below if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.